Holt Sheet Metal Incorporated, custom manufacturing and machining, was started in Monte Vista, Colorado in 1955 before moving here to Durango in 1965. Back then, it was just a father-son operation in a garage. Today, it has grown into this 32,000 square foot building with almost 25 employees.
My father started the business as a heating and ventilating and air conditioning shop and grew to produce more and more products in the starch industry. What we do is work for potato processors, whether they make potato chips, French fries, potato salad. This is going to a French fry factory in Canada. It starts out in this screen, which will do the primary separation, where it'll separate the bits and pieces of potato from the cutter water. The water and the starch will be pumped through some hydrocyclones. The water off the top of the hydroclones, after it's concentrated, is fairly clean. It'll go into this tank. This water will be sent back to the plant for reuse, and we separate the starch and concentrate it and dry it, and then they can sell the starch as a byproduct. In the next year, we'll produce 4 systems like this, and we have systems in 29 different countries.
Owners Ralph and Ronnie Holt say manufacturing large potato processing equipment accounts for about 40% of their business. They also still manufacture commercial heating and air conditioning equipment, but there's a whole lot more going on here.
Commercial kitchens,
countertops, fireplaces, hoods and things like that, but we also do artsy things.
Testing propulsion systems. A lot of them are used in missile defense and or satellite. We're very diverse in what we do here. We have the ability to make just about anything out of metal, and we have the equipment available to do so. This is a water jet. It runs at 87,000 psi. It'll cut a foot in thickness.
This machine is it's a DMU 125 made by DMG Mori. It's a full 5-axis. We have about 49-inch envelope, so very big for kind of a rural area.
Machinist Chris Schmidt is a longtime employee who left for 8 years to teach machining and then came back to Holt Sheet Metal for the challenge.
Every day we're working on something new. Some days we're working on aerospace parts, and then the next day we're making musical instruments.
Altogether, they have over 1 million pounds of sheet metal here at their facility in Durango, ready to be shaped by new projects.
It costs a little more doing business in Durango, primarily because of transportation, but it's a beautiful place to raise a family, and you can't beat the scenery.
Next time you have a potato chip, think of Holt Sheet Metal and their processing equipment that was made right here in Durango, Colorado. For Made in Durango, I'm Roger Zonaritis.